Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to pause Instagram Reels. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. Navigate to the reel you want to pause. You can do this by going to your profile, tapping on the reel section and open the reel, or by searching for the reel you want to pause. You can also use your personalized Reels feed on Instagram home screen. Wait for the reel to start, then tap and hold on the screen to pause this reel. And here you can see the reel has been paused. So all you have to do is just tap and hold on the screen to pause any reel. And to unpause, remove your finger from the screen and make sure you tap and hold around the middle of the screen and not near the bottom. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.